Expectation ko lang is to do more things na hindi ko pa nagagawa, just like this.
Das madre role.
I've never done a musical in film. So
First time
ginawa ko lang yung Legally Blonde, tapos yung ibang mga musicals on the stage. So first time ko to.
What was your last film before this one?
My last film, oh my gosh.
How long ago?
Pandemic yata. Yeah, it was during the pandemic na pasok dapat sa Metro Manila Film Festival where I think, oh my gosh, it's like home or something. Ang tagal na nun, 2021. Coming home. Yeah.
Family drama.
Family drama, yes. Yeah.
Timothy Sylvia.
Yes. That was the one. So, ang tagal na. At pandemic, kasi hindi kami
So ngayon, Jen, parang ready ka nang gumawa ng pelikula na sunod-sunod.
Medyo, yun nga, namimili rin talaga ako kasi ang hirap din naman kasi si Jen and 6-year-old, gano'n. Parang hindi na magugustuhan ng 28-year-old son ko. So, tapos may 10-year-old daughter ako. So, yun yung ibang mga offers na parang siguro layo muna ako. So, maraming performances, maraming concerts pa rin, shows abroad because I haven't been back in the States for 5 years. So I got here 2020.
Jen, balikan natin yung sinabi mo kanina na talagang bata ka pa rin gusto mo nang maging model.
Oo, di ba? Hindi ka pa nagpaniwala.
Si Paco King.
Nakabelo ko pag nagpupunta sa simbahan. Kasi nga yung lola namin sa poolside, si Lola Chede. Ganun yun hanggang sa nagkasakit na siya.
So
Paternal yan, cruise yan. So, tapos, wala lang, gusto ko lang talaga. Bago to mag-Snowy Mountain. Kasi I went to St. Joseph's School in Tondo, Manila. So, Daughters of Charity yung Andre doon yung.
So, yun yung malamang na naka-influence.
Oh, yun yung naka-influence siya, tsaka yung lola. But it was a phase. Alam mo yung when you're trying to find who you are, when you're young and you're like, ito perfect singing nun, di ba? What I need to do to prepare is to go back to when I was young.
Which was how age that?
I was 11.
Pre-teens.
So, kailan nawala yung ano mo na, hindi na pala ako.
Hindi, nung nag-Smoky Mountain ako syempre. Kasi doon ko na I realized na what I want. Well, nagkaroon na rin ako ng crush at age 12. So parang, you know, it's Smoky Mountain, di ba? And doon ko na-realize na, ay, hindi pala pwedeng mag-asawa yung mate. Okay, para sa akin.
And then Paco King.
Paco King, when I was 18. And then I got pregnant at 19. Life happens. Sometimes you don't know where you're supposed to go, but I guess before kasi always ako nililid ng puso. Puso. Tapos, kunting bola. Joke lang pa ako. Enrico, we're really friends. We're really good friends. And friend ko rin yung asawa niya. Kaya tandem kami pag kami dalawa yung kasama.
Does he have kids with another one?
Yes, he has 3 other kids.
After heaven.
Yes.
Kamusta ka naman ngayon as a mom, Jen?
Really happy because my daughter is 10 and iba pa lang babae sa lalaki na.
Yes.
So, maingat din talaga ako ngayon. Mas maingat ako when I had my daughter kasi ako yung idolo. So, hindi na ako pwede pag-umabig. I have to be a good source of inspiration to her. So, talagang nagbago.
So ngayon, Jen, kino-consider mo yung anak mo kapag
to make when I make decisions. But of course, I'm very open-minded. I'm a modern type of mom. Pero hindi ako conservative like my parents or my grandparents. At the same time, yung values ko as a woman and as a Filipina, nandun pa rin.
Sa love life din, kino-consider mo na siya?
Oh yeah. I'm in a relationship now, but it took me 5 years. You know, dati kasi pabigla-bigla lang ako, pag feeling mo in love ka, gano'n. This man that I'm seeing,
The jiu-jitsu player.
3 years then in the making relationship that we dated 3 years ago, and then it turned into friendship, and then somehow we got reconnected. And
How long have you been together? The
matagal na
national-
rin,
A year?
1 year. So, yeah, he's a national athlete, and I'm really, really proud of him. Ganda nung disiplina niya, nakikita ko how he, how he lives. Alam mo yun,
Ganda ng built ang body niya.
hindi, tsaka kasi yung pagkatao niya, the way he really loves his body, himself, I really admire him. Kasi we really have to start loving ourselves to be able to love others. That's what I realized, and I'm glad that God gave me someone who not only, mahal ako na hindi lang yung labas, kundi pati yung sa labas.
Hindi ba siya daunted na celebrity ka, na you're in showbiz, you're singing?
He told me before he wasn't really like, he didn't expect that he was gonna be with a celebrity, but the thing is that he sees me, he sees my heart, he sees my soul, so it really doesn't matter who you are or kung ano ginagawa mo, as long as line up kayo sa values and what you want to do in life. So I think I see it that way. And life is fleeting.
You look happy.
I'm happier. Life is fleeting. Life is fleeting. We don't know what's gonna happen in the future. Hindi na ako tulad dati, nung teenager ako na, this is it forever. But of course, we want to be with that certain person for the rest of our lives. But, when my mom passed away, I realized enjoy na lang yung moments, and to love the person that you're with, to love and respect, and to focus on that person and not look if there's another person na baka mas okay, diba? Usually, the grass is not always greener on the other side. So you just focus on the ones that you love, and while you're loving yourself, parang ganun na yung mentality.
Jen, balikan lang natin yung sabi mo kanina, yung mga kaya hindi ka tumatanggap ng mga offers kasi karamihan sex. How do you take that? Kasi imagine, mami ka na, pero consider ka pa rin nila na sexy, diba? So parang ano yun, ano ba sa'yo yun? Anong dating nun?
I have this positive mindset, so I would like to see it as a compliment.
Yes.
Diba? At the same time, I know my boundaries as a mom. Okay lang naman yung sexy, parang Beyonce or Lady Gaga on the stage, diba? Because it's a look, it's an image on the stage as a performer. Pero hirap din kasi kapag acting and you're talagang nagpapasexy ka or may contact, kumbaga may physical contact and all that. That's something that I'm trying to kind of stay away from for now. Kasi pag ginawa ko, laging ganun na lang lagi yung matatanggap ko. That's why sabi ko, ako yung madre kasi para ma-test ko naman yung sarili ko, yung walang papakitang skin or anything. Ito lang, tsaka yung acting abilities and capabilities. So, tingnan natin kung Diba? Kaya yun.
And in this case, you're singing.
I'm singing and I'm so excited. Ewan ba, Sound of Music din yata. Yun din yung isa sa mga gusto kong gawin nung bata rin ako. I think isa rin yun sa mga reasons kung bakit gusto ko na magmahal rin, diba? So, yun, excited ako.
Is Heaven interested in joining show business?
He's in sales. He lives in LA. He's 28.
28, so
Imagine, he grew up right in front of you guys. He raps. He writes his own songs. He raps. He records.
Parang na kayo magkapatid.
Parang ganun na nga. Yeah, he's very protective too. He has a long-time girlfriend whom I love. And hindi siya masyadong pa-showbiz eh. Parang sa kanya is more of...
But I'm sure he gets